Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and this video was so unexpected. I was organizing my closet here, which I don't want to show you yet because I'm still in the middle of it, but I had a space here and I had a crate, right? So I have a crate, so I placed the crate here. This is the only way it would fit. So then I said to myself, if I place things in there, there's gonna be dead space up here. So I remembered that I had these like sticks, plastic sticks from a game, from an old game, and they are longer than what the crate measures. The crate measures 12 inches width, but these measure more. So that allowed me to place them in those slots. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make more than one level so that I can place things on there. They might not be heavy things, but it still gives me another level to place things. And what I can do is I can take something to reinforce the sides so that they won't come off. Maybe like even tape. This is not an idea about saving, and you could save, but what I'm trying to say is I'm not doing this to save money. It just came up because I'm here organizing my closet and I needed, you know, like another shelf and all that stuff, and I just started playing around with this crate. So I figured, you know what, it's not that bad. So now what I'm going to do is I have some cardboard, some heavy cardboard, thick cardboard, and look how perfect that worked out. I have my floor there, my level. And then I'll do the same thing over here with this one, right? So I have two levels. I can place stuff there and it's not going to fall over. And as long as it's not heavy stuff, you know, now I have a 3-tier crate. And again, I can always reinforce them on the sides. But this is how it'll look. Isn't that neat? Well, let me see. Maybe I can place something in there. Start placing something in there. Well, look. I have these pill boxes. And I also have these acrylic paints. So you see stuff like this that's not heavy. You can get away with placing in here. Look at this. The same way you placed that in there, you can place other things. So now I have a shelf there and a shelf there. So this was an unexpected idea that came out. It's nothing to have to do with like, oh, you know, I can't afford a shelf, blah, blah, blah. Nothing to do with that. It just came up and I felt like I should share it with you. So if you have a crate, if you're organizing your closet, you need an extra shelf, maybe temporarily until you buy it, go out and buy one, you know, and it's not heavy stuff. It could be just makeup, your makeup. You want to put your makeup there, you know, little things. So anyway, so I'll be back with the transformation of this closet that I'm working on, and thanks for watching.